Hi everybody, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to see that how can we set up Java or a JDK on our Windows platform. I'll discuss all the things with Windows because most of the participant or viewers will be using Windows according to my knowledge. So let's proceed how to proceed. Okay, so just at first go to Chrome and search for JDK download for Windows. Let it open. I just search for JDK download for Windows. Okay, you can enter your specification and all. I have Windows 7 included for entering this part. So see, we have these few links. So what I want you all to do, you just go to the current kit. It's on 8th release. Okay, and the website should be of Oracle. It might differ from searches to searches, but you should go on to Oracle. Okay, from here you just need to toggle to your system specification and all. Okay, so see, we have Linux, macOS, Solaris, and I have Windows. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use Windows 64-bit. So I'll download this. Okay, and now to download this file, you will basically need an Oracle account. Okay, so it's not a big thing. Just make it as you make a Gmail account. I already have my Oracle account logged in, so it won't show me. I think. Yeah, see, this is my Oracle account, and now if I sign in, you can simply make your own Oracle account from here itself. It's very simple, like Gmail account. So let it process. See, it has started downloading. I have already downloaded a setup and installed on my system, so I won't be downloading anymore. But see, it's a .exe file, and once after downloading, you can yourself execute it as a normal setup installer. Or okay, so by default, it will be on your download folder or whatever you have chosen as a download folder. So after you download, just simply press next, 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 and all. And after downloading, just remember this address. Let me put it here. Sorry, my bad. Let me just put up the address. Okay, at where the file is located. You need to go to your C drive. After going to C drive, you need to go to program file, and there you need to search for Java. Okay, we have JDK 11.011. Okay, so this is the current version. Now, what I want you to do after you have installed, to check if it has been installed correctly, open command prompt, just go to your start button and type CMD and type Java. It will throw up a few lines like slash Java agent, agent path, and all. This means that Java has been properly installed. If it doesn't do that, if it shows some kind of error that Java is not detectable or something, then I'll suggest you to do this. See, either if that's the problem, you can go a long way that you can invoke CMD from this address only. See, the program files in Java, or to come out of this problem, I'll suggest you to search for environment. Okay, and then just search for path. See, here is the path, and then go to edit, and after the last section or last line, add a semicolon, and then just paste your address, this computer C drive Java folder. Okay, it will start working. I already have it. I think I have Python, I have from PyCharm, I have PK Inter, Microsoft. See, JDK 11. See, this is the folder, isn't it? JDK 11.windows. So this is the path. Now, what this path actually does is, if you invoke a command on your command prompt, so what it does that at first it will search in the directory which it is present in. So in our case, it is user exec. Okay, so this will search for that directory. But if it doesn't get any directory, the command or the segment which you have typed is not present, then it will by default visit that path section. Okay, and if there it is present, it's well and good. If it's not, then it is going to show the error. So this is what, and this is how you need to set up JDK on your system. Now, to check it, what you can do initially, that you can open a notepad, okay, and just type a program. I'll tell you that what should the program look like. Okay, just let me show you. I'll show you in this video that how to install a IDE or for this Java. Okay, so public class is public static void main string. Okay, let it be a. Just show you system dot out dot int and hello Java. Now let us save it anywhere in our system. Okay, the my test2 template. Let it be here. So we'll save it with extension Java. Let it be test1.java. Okay, so once we have written this code, now just go to command prompt, okay, and visit the same location where you have saved the file. In my case, I have it in templates. So what we need to do is we need to type Java C, the name of our file. Wait for a few minutes. It gave us a new interactable line. Okay, so here you need to do Java and then test your class name. Okay, we got this hello Java, means our Java is functioning well and good, and we have just created our first program. So this was for today. In next video I'll show you that how you can set up any IDLE and how you can proceed, and what are these all Java C and Java test programs. So thank you for today, and I hope you like this session.